Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by stabilizing the magnifying glass on a soft cloth so the frame won't move. That protects optics and gives control. Use a hair dryer on low to warm adhesive areas for 30–60 seconds. Warming softens glue and prevents cracking. Once warm, insert a thin flat spudger at the seam while supporting the lens edge with your other hand. Move gently and feel for a give. The goal is to create an entry point without bending the frame or nicking glass. Once you've created a small gap, rotate the tool and pry in short, controlled motions around the rim. Excessive force will crack the lens. If a retaining ring with screws holds the lens, loosen screws incrementally in an alternating pattern so pressure releases evenly. Keep the lens supported on a finger or padded tool while you work. That prevents bending. If adhesive resists, reapply targeted heat for another 10–20 seconds and repeat. Patience here preserves optical alignment and avoids damage. After the lens separates, lift it straight up and away from the frame to maintain its flatness. Tilting can induce edge stress and cracking. Once removed, remove adhesive residue using 90% plus isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber cloth, working from center outward to avoid streaks. Place the lens face up on a padded surface for inspection and any future reinstallation. If the lens chips or binds, don't force reassembly. Instead, reheat and repeat removal steps, or replace the lens to avoid.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.